This is the second in the series, Student Data Collection for Feedback, Reflection, and Visualization, Classroom to Whole School. Please find links to the other videos in the description below. The links are being added as the videos are uploaded. This video demonstrates how Google Forms can be used as a powerful pre-assessment tool. You can automatically present your findings for collaborative reflections to set courses and immediately know where you stand. You should subscribe now and activate notifications not to miss any. Use a sliding scale from 0 to 6. This way no one can claim the exact middle ground and you get a feel for where everyone really is. There is a forms tutorial, among others, to take you further at the end. Click on responses and scroll down to have your conversation. I like to start out musing on my own and asking more questions as we proceed throughout. I see from this first graph that many of us still don't seem to understand C of our CARP principles of design. What could we do in our group to make that better? Any thoughts on this one? Is this something you or your group could improve upon? Who can explain this last graph here? If you want to set this up in another way, for example, you want to send out the information to the students directly, collect the email addresses, and over here in quizzes, you can select make this a quiz and have them see it immediately after each submission, or you can do it yourself later on. In order to make it a quiz, if you wanted to keep some data, you actually go through and you add an answer key. Select how many points you want it to be worth, and choose the correct answer. When you're done, you can then go ahead and share it out. There is a forms tutorial, among others, to take you further here.
The world is a